My name is Brant Mayberry. Before I came to Limitless Male, I was feeling very sluggish, very tired. Everything that low testosterone represented is how I felt. When I came in and did my free consultation, the staff at Limitless Male was just so awesome. I expected me to be the last person, especially with my age range, to have lower testosterone. TRT has been a huge blessing in my life, and it has fixed a lot of the issues that I was dealing with in my daily life. Every night I get way better sleep. Every single day I'm much more recovered. I have more range of motion and mobility, so doing everything is easier, from physical to even mental. With the mental stability and emotional stability I've gained from TRT as well, they've both combined to really bring up every aspect of every bit of my everyday life.